Hello students, it's time to get to work on your math lesson. This is 8th grade math, unit 3, lesson 7. First, watch the video and then answer the questions. Which glass will hold the most water? A, B, or C? Which glass will hold the least water? The video will help you answer those. Problem 2. Move the green circle to set the starting water level. Record the new level after you drop each marble. Why would we do that? Let's see what happens when we do. Okay, you can click here to change the water level at the beginning. Click drop and a marble drops in. You can see the level of water raising. And it tells you the current water level. Let's drop another marble and see what happens. Wow, cool. One more. Very cool. We started from a water level of 60 milliliters. After dropping 3 of those objects in, the water level is now 69 milliliters after dropping 3 marbles. Let's answer the questions. What is the volume in the cylinder after you add 3 marbles? Well, we did it. We got 69 milliliters. What is the volume in the cylinder after you add 7 marbles? Okay, you do it, and then you answer the question. Add a total of 7 marbles. What is the volume in the cylinder after you add X number of marbles? So here you're going to need to make an equation. The volume equals, well, you start with 60 milliliters of water plus some rate that the water increases, our constant of proportionality, times X number of marbles. Now, what is this K? The K is how much the water level rises with each marble. Well, I already added 3 marbles, and the water level increased from 60 to 69. So that is an increase of 9 milliliters for 3 marbles. I can use this to get my constant of proportionality. If I reduce this fraction, it is 3. That means the water level rises 3 milliliters for each marble that I put in. You can just look at this here. Remember, I went from 60 to 69 after adding 3 marbles. So that's 3 milliliters of water per marble. Oh, wait, not 3 milliliters of water. I mean 3 milliliters of water rising. So the volume in the cylinder after I add some number of marbles is volume equals starting with 60 milliliters plus 3 milliliters for every marble that I drop in. There you go. If you started with an initial water level of 60 milliliters and you wanted to make the water reach the highest mark on the cylinder, how many marbles would you need? Okay, let's see here. The highest mark is 100. So you want to go from 60 to 100. How many marbles would you need? Well, each marble adds 3 milliliters of water. So how many times does 3 go into 100? Remember, each marble adds 3 milliliters of water. Oh, I'm sorry, not 100. It's going to be 100 minus 60. Let me erase that. Because we're going from 60 to 100 milliliters. So we want to get 40 more milliliters to reach the highest point on the cylinder. So how many times does 3 go into 40 milliliters? That'll be the number of marbles we need to add for the water level to reach the highest mark on the cylinder. go ahead and do the math on your own and make sure that you agree with me and make sure that makes sense to you. 2E, plot and label points that show your measurements from the experiment. Okay, in this experiment, it asked you to first put in 3 marbles. So you're going to have a point for the water level when you add 3 marbles. Oopsie.